Wow. Wow. That. Oh. That was cool. That was the whole tail. Wow. Wow, I hope I got. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Woo! He's doing that. Yeah, he's doing, oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my gosh.
I saw a rainbow there.
Wow. And she's feeding. Oh, that's so cool. I hope I'm getting this. Oh, we're going the wrong way. Oh man, that was so cool.
Awesome.
Oh no.
Did I have my thing? I hope I'm getting it. Is he feeding or something?
Oh, you're fine. What do you think?
No.
No.
I just have my camera out. Hopefully they can see.
There goes again.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool. He must be feeding or something.
I don't know what he's doing, but
He's enjoying himself, that's for sure.
yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. He is look at it was Ben. It was Ben. The other Ben. Wow. Unbelievable. I hope he's amazing. Woo! Look at that. Wow. Oh my goodness. He is just enjoying himself. He is just enjoying himself. That's all I know. Wow.
I think they got him on the payroll.
I think maybe he's a robot, you know, a mechanical one that they put there.
What's going on, though?
What's he doing? Wow.
It's 100 times.
Listen to him, how hard he smacks the water.
I wonder if he's doing that feeding thing that they were talking about.
I don't think he's mad. I think he's having a ball.
I said they say he feeds by smacking the water and stunning the fish. That was one thing. Wow.
That was awesome. Yeah.
I'll make it.
You know, that's a video, too.
Okay, tell me how to do it.
I don't know. Maybe on Square the Bone.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Come back left, one come back left side of the road. Still going crazy, Sebastian, guys.
This is unreal. I hope he's getting some fish. Amazing. Crazy. Unreal. Oh man, that's so cool. Look at that.